Pardon me, I've been acting a little po. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, I've been acting a little po. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, still acting the store. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, still been at the store. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, still been standing at the store. Carbon sitting on the seat in the floor. Carbon sitting on the seat in the floor. Barking, I put that knife on your throat. Torture, I'ma step out of that hole. Walk a designer, hit down to the toe.
Like damn, when she walk past, like damn, look at that shawty bad, yeah, shawty bad. The way she got her hair, complimented all of that. Hope you don't mind me calling you the baddest bitch, cause actually, I want you, I don't wanna make you mad and shit. You want some Michael Jackson shit. Worried about the past, nigga, y'all should be worried about who hitting her after him. Looking at her walk, like damn, she a dime.
What's up, YouTube? So welcome back to my channel. If you're already subscribed, and welcome if you're new. My name is Zankia. You already know what's going on, as you can see from today's title. So I work from 12 to 8 today. It's currently 11:18. I'm getting ready to leave out, and I'll hit y'all back up when I get in the car. What's up, y'all? So I made it to work. I'll probably go on break later, around 4 maybe. It depends on how many people we have today, because they be trying to rush you to go on break, and I don't like that. But we get paid tomorrow, so I'm so happy. I've been working back to back for the past couple of days, and I'm over it. I forgot to update y'all. I dropped out of school, and not because I wanted to. I didn't have a choice. I ended up changing my major back to mass communication. I just decided I was gonna finish out that degree that I already had, and like maybe like a news reporter. So I can see myself in that field, news reporter or radio host, something like that. We're gonna try again in the spring. Y'all bear with me. The school trying to say that I owe them $1,613, and I have to pay that back before I can attend again. So that's another thing I gotta worry about. So that's why I'm really just working. Not rich, not where I want to be yet, you know, but I'm gonna get there, and I will get there. We're gonna speak it into existence. It is what it is. Everything happens for a reason. I truly believe that. So maybe it wasn't my time. Maybe it's just a minor setback for a major comeback. And literally, I did not want to drop out. I asked them, could they give me classes that fit my major, and they told me that there was nothing that they can do. So either way, I would have been paying for classes that I didn't need. So I just ended up withdrawing. We're gonna use withdrawing, because dropping out sound like, you know, a bad term. But basically, y'all know I was fighting them every day, trying to work out my financial aid with them, and nothing was getting fixed. And so I've been asking them, could I change my major, and they kept on telling me not to change my major because it might mess up my aid. And I kept telling them, like, I don't have no aid, and they kept basically saying just wait. And so when it came time for me to finally switch my major, they tried to say that I changed my major too late after they already made a due date, and now they're trying to say that I owe them money. I really want to fight against it, because literally I got proof that I was going to their office. They didn't see me multiple times in that office. So maybe I don't have to pay them back. I don't know yet. But as of right now, they saying I owe them $1,613.19. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to work. We're gonna pay it off gradually. I'm currently sitting in my job parking lot, waiting on it to be 12. It's currently 11:51. I'll probably go in at 11:56, maybe. So I'll hit y'all back when I go on break. Y'all stay tuned.
3 hours later.
Alright, y'all, so my battery died on my camera. I don't know how it died. It wasn't even on, but they said that the Sony ZV-1 camera batteries be dying fast, and I didn't bring no extra batteries with me to work, because I didn't think it was gonna die. But I'm currently on break, and it is currently 3:47, and like I said, they be rushing people to go on break, because I told y'all I wasn't going on break till like 4. But I ended up going, and right now I'm in Wendy's line, and we only get a 30-minute break, y'all. So about the line long, and I feel like by the time I get from out of Wendy's line, my break gonna be almost over. I'm supposed to go back at 4:12. I got my food, and I just finished eating it. I had got a 10-piece nugget, spicy, because I only get their spicy nuggets, with medium fry, and then I got strawberry lemonade. And I gotta go back in there now, y'all. Go back and finish my shift. It's 4:12. I don't leave till 8 o'clock. But at least I don't close today because yesterday I closed and I was ready to go home. Alright, y'all. So today is the next day. And I ran out of syrup. So I gotta go get some syrup. And, you know, I got on Simple Fit and decided to bring out the motherfucking Gucci sandal. Let me see. I don't know if this gonna work. I'm bucked up, y'all, because it's sitting up now.
Oh, nothing asshole. They stand with your mama asshole. Buddy niggas, I say buddy niggas. They wonder why I don't be fucking with them.
Alright, y'all, so I made it to my job. I'm finna see if my job have syrup. If not, then I gotta go to Food City. But I just wasn't trying to go to Food City. Even though I had to pass Food City to get to my job, I just prefer my job. So I'm finna go up in here and see if we got syrup. And I ain't talking about no regular syrup. I'm talking about Aunt Jemima. Because I need the Aunt Jemima. That's the only syrup that I like. So, yeah, we finna go see. I told y'all, if it ain't this, they took my girl off the bottle, of course. But if it ain't Aunt Jemima or Pearl Milling Company that they didn't change it to, then I don't want it. But we found it. So, yeah, this is what I came up in here for. And I just came up in here. Y'all, it's 11:07. I know breakfast finna be over, but I needed to make some waffles. And I ran out of syrup. And I ain't even know. So I had to come get some syrup. But yeah, if it ain't this one, if it ain't this one, don't give it to me because I don't want it. Alright, y'all. So I got the syrup, but now that I'm over here, I want some McDonald's fries and a Sprite. So maybe I'll just save the syrup that I just got for tomorrow or for later on when I get hungry and I feel like I want some waffles. But I think I'm finna go to McDonald's and give me a basket of fries and a Sprite. Because I don't eat that nuggets no more, y'all. Stop eating that nuggets because they don't taste right like how they was tasting when I was a kid. They fries be fresh sometimes. Sometimes. Like, you got to catch them in the morning like right now. It is 11:14. So, their fries should be fresh. That be all for you? Yes, ma'am. $5.55. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so I just paid. I'm currently waiting in line. They line was long, but I'm the third person. When I get home, I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff that I've been ordering, and I shouldn't have been ordering them, but I'm gonna show y'all. I can't wait to wear it, so y'all stay tuned until I get my food. Alright, y'all, I made it back home, and I got my food and my Sprite. I always get a basket of fries and a Sprite. I'm finna go inside and show y'all what I got. Alright, y'all, so this is everything that I have ordered. And don't y'all go to doing the most because it's really not a lot. It looks like a lot, but it's not a lot. So, y'all, I had to get me an Ed Hardy fit. This is the jacket, y'all. And on the side, it said Ed Hardy. And this is the front of the jacket. Say Ed Hardy right there. And this the back again. These are the pants. Ed Hardy. They say Ed Hardy on the back. Then they got this right here on the side. And then at the bottom, they got this design at the bottom that's on the back of the hoodie. I don't know what I'm going to wear with yet. I got a vision though, so y'all just stay tuned. I got a wig from Ali Pearl. It's a 24-inch deep wig. It came with a headband, y'all. They gave me a cute little headband and an edge brush. Y'all know. I see the bottom it say 24. It got the net on it still, but I don't want to take the net off yet. But just know, y'all, this is up next. Curly wig up next. Y'all know I'm extra. I didn't get to go to the actual movies and see the Barbie movie. At the actual movies, we watched that bootleg. But it would have been nothing if I wouldn't have got the Barbie Crocs. So, these are how they look. They platforms. I like them. I think they're cute. I can't wait to rock them. But y'all, I think I'm gonna wear these when I get my pink hair that I said I'm gonna get. The stuff for my car that I ordered off Amazon. This is just a fur keychain. This is my key cover for my car key. Then I got a Z keychain. Y'all know. My names really start with a Z, y'all. But I put an X because people act like they can't say my name unless the X right there. Because they say Zanika, Zankaya, all that. But my name is Zankia. So, that's why the X right there, if y'all was ever wondering why. And then I got another camera case because the yellow is giving tired. I think I'm starting to like pink more. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I think pink's starting to become my favorite color. But I thought this was really cute. I was saving all of this to open it with y'all, so I ain't never opened none of this. This is my first time seeing everything for real, besides the Ed Hardy thing. Okay, y'all, so I got visor things for my visor. And the crazy part about it is, I kept asking, do the napkins come in the inside? Do the napkins come in the inside? Because if not, I was going to order some napkins. It's supposed to be a napkin dispenser, so like if somebody needs a napkin, they could just reach up and touch the visor and get them some napkins. But the napkins came with it, and I really like that. It's so cute. But I got 2 of these for both sides, and the napkins go in the middle. So if you need a napkin, just reach up. I don't know who I think gonna be in my car, but I just get stuff because I think it's cute. So, but don't nobody be in my car but me. So I guess if I need a napkin, I'm gonna reach up and grab me a napkin. Oh, this is cute, girl. And boom. Hold on, you say you want a napkin? All right. Here you go. Damn, I just ripped all of that. Just gonna do the same thing with the other one. Let's put the rest in this big bag, y'all. I got me a Hello Kitty wallet for my keys. I gotta show y'all how my keys look before. It got that little blue thing that I got from school off of on it right now. But I'm about to change it up because in my car my theme is red, black, and silver right now. So y'all gonna see, y'all gonna see. And this is my new keychain for my arm. So it's gonna go on my hand. It's gonna be my keys like this. I'm gonna put it on and be like, y'all ready to go? But yeah, y'all know I love Hello Kitty, so I got me some more Hello Kitty air fresheners. I had these when I first got my car. It's only 2 in a pack and they run out fast, and you gotta get them from Amazon. So yeah. Then in here, y'all, these are my seat covers.
I've been blowing through the money like you blowing cheese. I've been fucking on a French bitch, say la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Way I'm dressed until I've been to $1,000. This bitch lie by getting shots, but she's still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she still smiling. Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon. Crows shoot from anywhere, like you Ray Allen. Crody, turn me up. Crody, turn me up. Crody, turn me up. Got a fur on a Tampa, got me burning up. Shorty said she graduated, she ain't learning enough. Play the album track 1, okay, I heard enough. Girl, the driver downstairs, better hurry up. Savage got a new stick, you wanna dirty up. Touchdown to NY, tear the Mercer up. Hey, Bottega shades with the great sense. Introduce me to a nigga, yeah, it makes sense. Gotta put her on the team, got a great bench. Linking with the ops, bitch, I did that shit for Jay Prince. Bitch, I did it for the Maltese. Feel like 17, 2 purse, frog eyes. And I never been the one to go apologize. Me, I'd rather hit him up 1 more time. Hey, known a girl for 6 months, dinner up at my place, but I got
my watch match my hat. My hat match my braids. I ain't worried about no nigga. I ain't worried about no bitch. You mix them together and make a cat dog. You hear what I'm saying? I'm sitting here going half crazy. My nigga in the cut making plays on his iPhone, and I don't bring shit to the table but an iPhone. Pussy can't be fucked with. All these niggas fuck with, and I'm a baddie bitch like Stunner.
So it's a blind date. All my niggas on the roads raising up the crime rate. Your name not ringing out here, it's on vibrate. And she took a skull, now shorty gotta hydrate. And he did some dirt, now my Cody gotta migrate. Probably won't see him for some years. When I do though, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Hey, Cody, turn me. Hey, yeah, what? Cody, turn me. What?
In the drop top Benz like it's 03. Had the shooters aimed down from the nosebleed. Gotta get this passport, keep my nose clean. Bitch try to burn me up. Keep a man a tuck.
So y'all, I put on 2 bonnets because I don't know about y'all, but in the middle of the night my bonnet be coming off and I be waking up and ain't no bonnet be on my head. But my braids look old. I just put the bonnet on my braids because y'all, I don't like sleeping with all that out everywhere. So I just put it up at night.
SF90 rims red like a poker chip. Rich as hell, still hood in the strokers belt. Pink slip in the
That was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.
With a halo, I feel like I might as well just take her on. I might as well let her on my V-Long. Let her come DC knows, never let me go. Time moves faster than it did in the past, so I hop inside the passenger. I handed her my heart.